I'm going to show you how to create a story for close friends only on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing we will need to do is go into our story settings by holding your profile and edit the close friends list if you haven't done that already. And this way we can add people to your close friends list. So after you have done that, and now we have our close friends list ready. And let's say I want to repost this post for my close friends only. So you need to create a story normally. And right here, you will see this option which says close friends. So if you click here, if you hold it, you can edit the list. And if you tap it just once, this story will be available for close friends only. You can see the green circle around your profile picture, and if you click there, you can see this icon at the top right. If you click, you can see this is for close friends only. So only the people on your close friends list can see this story. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.